Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, TSI, SE, 1 litre, 95 PS. Now the car is in great shape and it has a great spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, rear tinted windows, hill hold control, a brake assist, an anti-lock braking system, and these 15-inch Essex alloy wheels. Now the boot's a good size and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a composition media system, a colour touchscreen and a multimedia interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.